I'm Abhishek. I recently took my GMAT and I got a score of 760. My split was Q49 V46. Not even in my wildest of dreams had I thought I'd get a score of 46 on verbal. Seriously, not even in my wildest, craziest of dreams think that I'll get a score of 46. When I started out, I didn't even know that a 760 is possible. You need to know that you will get a 760 and nothing less. That's it. That is the only thing that you should think about. After reading Sandeep's blog and all that, the passion that came through, and that 760, that word 760, 99th percentile just somehow got stuck in my brain. I used to struggle a lot at CR. I used to get so distraught while he used to do CR in classes. I got in touch with him that I'm really struggling at CR. So he gave me a few specific tips. And those tips are, it would be an understatement to say that they helped me get a score. They are the reason why I got this score. Basically, the tips that he gave me that day, I consider that to be the most important factor why I got a 760 score. For a normal guy like me, it was a very challenging. I used to think, well, how does he think like that? But the tips that he gave me was amazing, mind-blowing. For me, it was a total perspective shift. And when I started out in SC, when I did the first handout, I remember I got 4 out of 20 correct. So I spoke to him again. So he gave me a very structured approach to. I can proudly say that I am 100% sure and that I didn't take more than 30 seconds on any of the SC questions in GMAT. Any of the SC questions, I can guarantee that. Where I reached in terms of preparation is meant to test me how well you can analyze a question in a given time frame. And trust me when I say time constraint, you actually don't know how difficult it is to do stuff under time constraint till you do it. I request everyone to make a note of everything that he teaches. Even if he makes a dot in the class, you should make a note of that. That is, everything that he says in the class is so critical, so imperative, so crucial. I mean, I can't possibly overstate the importance of that.